China has completed construction of a 400-meter-long Pangong Lake bridge and vehicles were spotted on it through satellite images. Though the bridge lies in territory held by China since 1958, it is near the line of actual control between India and China in Ladakh and gives Chinese forces the ability to speedily move troops between north and south bank of Pangong Lake. NDTV was first to publish this bridge's construction in 2022, and now high-res images from the 22nd of July this year showed vehicles crossing it. Quote, "The new bridge over Pangong Lake grants Chinese forces a direct, shorter route for rapid troop deployment," unquote, says Damien Simon, a satellite imagery expert and researcher with the Intel Lab. He added, quote, "Previously, the People's Liberation Army had to navigate the lake's entire eastern section to reach conflict zones, a lengthy detour that hampered their response time in active conflict zone," unquote. The construction of a new bridge, it is believed, could cut the travel distance between both banks of the lake by close to 50 to 100 kilometers, or several hours in travel time. Asked to respond to the latest developments, the External Affairs Ministry directed NDTV to a previous statement, which says this bridge is being constructed in areas that have been under illegal occupation by China for around 60 years now. As you are well aware, India has never accepted such illegal occupation. New satellite images show road access linking the new bridge to an existing road network on the north bank of Pangong, which leads to the Konark Fort, an ancient Tibetan structure. China had wrested control of the Konark Fort in July 1958, despite previous Indian Army patrols to the area. Beginning in May 2020, India and Chinese soldiers had a series of violent skirmishes along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh. 20 Indian soldiers were killed in action in the Galwan Valley, which lies to the north of the Pangong Lake region we have been talking about in this report. China claims that 4 of its soldiers were killed in fighting, although investigative reports have indicated that the true number was close to 40 fatalities.